Today I want to talk about this energy bites. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. Once you receive your package, you are going to get this small individual packed. So you can see these are ziplocked, and you can see that they have 7 pieces of these each individual bites. They are really delicious, and they are just one bite size, so you can just control your dose, how much intake you are taking, and these are really delicious. As you can see, once you take it out from the package, this is what you see. These are really yummy, delicious bites, and this is with chocolate, sea salt, and you can see on the back side you have the nutritional fact, and you can also see all the ingredients what's inside, and you can see some other information. So these are really delicious. You can see all the ingredients: 40 milligram of caffeine, equivalent to like half cup of coffee, and 97 milligram of altein, and 75 milligram of ginseng root and extract. So really nice, very like good, delicious product. And you have the other variants. This is citrus, ginger. So again, it's the same. You have small individually wrapped packages like this, and once you take it out from the package, this is what's inside, and this is how it looks like. Really yummy, delicious. Again, this smells really nice as well. You can see there are some nuts inside. You can easily identify them. So again, you can see all the nutrition facts on the back, and all the vitamins and other ingredients this has. So really nice. You can see all the mix. So delicious, yummy bites. I hope this was helpful.